So here we have the second floor. We have 16 classrooms, 4 science labs, admin suite, and a gang restroom. Exact same floor plan as the first floor, a very efficient design. We minimize, what I mean by that is we minimize the unusable space. We've used almost every single usable space on this set of plans.
What did you add to it?
We've added 2 classrooms from the original design on each floor. So we've added 4 classrooms. We reduced the collaboration spaces and gave more instructional spaces for what the district needs.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.